guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make spring roll, or we call in Thai is ปอเปี๊ยะ. This is the most popular Thai order appetizer in restaurant, and it's super easy and simple, and it tastes so much better when you make it with your own, and it's great for party, and I hope you guys like this. And this is all ingredients: cabbage, glass noodle, pork, carrot, garlic, and seasoning sauce. For the filling, first is glass noodle. You just want to do it soak in the water for 10 minutes until it's soft. After 10 minutes, you can see the glass noodle is so soft, and then we need to be cut. And then we need to cut and slice the cabbage to be a little piece. Now it's ready for cooking. First, we start to mix all sauce together: oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, and pepper. In a wok or a large pan, add vegetable oil 2 tablespoons. Fry, we need to use medium-high heat. Oil is hot, add garlic and stir until garlic starts to turn color slightly. And then add ground pork at 200 grams and cook until the pork is no longer crumbly and it's almost done. And then add glass noodles into the pan and stir them together. This one is more easy because we prepare everything before. And you can add any type of seasoning sauce that you like at this point. And it's too dry, you can also add a little of water for make sure it's softened. Stir until everything is softened, and after that turn off the heat. Bing, that floating and they are stuck together, so you just peel them off first. And then you just going to line your spring roll wrapper into a spread surface and just put a tablespoon of your filling, and depend with the size of spring roll wrapper. If you use bigger one, you need to add more filling. But we need to put filling into the bottom. And then roll the wrapper up tightly toward the middle. And folding the side of the wrapper toward the center and just roll them up again. And put a little bit of white egg. And just roll them up and make sure it's tightly and secure. And then I have some cooking oil that is being heated for about 3 minutes on the medium high heat, and just making sure it's very hot. And after you are going to gradually add your spring roll inside, and you are going to fry it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Golden brown color is mean your spring roll done, and just remove that and put on your paper towel or a cooking rack to remove all the excess oil. Serve with finished spring roll with Thai chili sweet sauce. It's super popular appetizer in restaurant. It's now ready to make in your kitchen.